Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you through how to bridge tokens in MetaMask. Bridging is the process of moving your crypto from one blockchain network to another, like sending Ethereum from the Ethereum mainnet to a Layer 2 network such as Arbitrum or Polygon. To begin, open MetaMask and make sure you're connected to the network your tokens are currently on. Next, go to the MetaMask Bridge feature by selecting Bridge from the Wallet menu. Here, choose the token you want to transfer, the amount, and then select the destination network. MetaMask will display different bridge routes and fees, so review the options and pick the one that suits you best. Once you're ready, click Review Bridge and then confirm the transaction. After it's processed on the blockchain, your tokens will appear on the new network inside your MetaMask wallet. And that's how you easily bridge tokens with MetaMask. Subscribe the channel for more videos.